Alright guys, welcome back. So we are in this part of the tutorial. Now let me put a date. Just select your text and put 8 a.m. WAT. It's always good to put the time zone so that it looks more professional. Don't just write 8 a.m. or 8 a.m. prompt. Now put the time zone. It makes your design look a bit professional. Um, so I just did this. Good. So 8 a.m. West African time. I'm putting it here. You can put it here, you can put it anywhere, but you don't want to put it like no. You can put it here. I can decide to put it here. I can decide to put it here. I can put it here. Just creativity. There's no one size fits all. Just creative. So I have my date, I have my venue, and I have my time. Simple. Now let me give this a background. Okay, so let me give it a background. Now, the kind of background I want to use, I want the background to be something like um a white background, but it should be noise. So to create a noise, select, just go to select solid color here. Make sure you have white, not white, but a little bit off white, FC, okay, and then drag it to the base and then create, go to filter, select noise, add noise, rasterize. You can see the noise, there are different sizes. The thicker the noise, see, you don't want this. So you want to put it somewhere that it actually makes your text readable. 9 is okay. Make sure it's uniform and make sure the monochromatic is ticked so that it has a uniform noise. Make sure it's uniform, monochromatic. Okay, so there's a noise in the background. You might be seeing it, you might not be seeing it, but if you did this, you will see it that there's a noise in the background. Now we want to add a shade of black in a way that it looks like there's a light effect. So go to camera raw filter. We are still on the our color field. We have not done anything. We are still on the color field layer. Just click camera raw filter, filters camera raw, come to option here. That's come to the preset. You see presets, you see edit, but come to presets. When you get to presets, just drag it down and look for heavy. There's heavy, that's vignetting. There's light, there's medium, there's heavy. You want to select heavy and click OK. So just wait for it to apply. Now you see there is a shade of dark behind your background. Yeah, makes your design looks a bit professional. So that's that about that. So let's just put a few details. Let's put maybe enquiries, um, +234802345. This is not a real number, so don't call it. So we have inquiries. This here. I want to make this a bit of black, not black per se, but just gray. I prefer using gray many times. So this is what we have. You have just created a flyer. You didn't import any image. You didn't start look. Some people think, oh, they have to look for an image. See, you can even make this a bit, spice this up a bit. You can do something like this. um let me see how many minutes is left. So if I can do that. Okay, we are just 5 minutes. Let me You can do something like this. Let's say I'm going to just select rectangle tool. I'm going to put it here. Good. Make sure the color of the rectangle is the color of my R. So I'm changing the color of the rectangle. Good. It's the color of my R. And I'm increasing the width of the rectangle. Now you uncheck this. Make sure it's not connected to the height. Increase the width of the rectangle. Shift it back a little bit. I want to do something. I make sure the rectangle does not have any stroke. So yeah, I'm editing the properties, removing the stroke, increasing the width, reducing the height a little bit. Good. And then take rectangle again. Take triangle. Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Good. You have drawn a triangle. Now rotate your triangle. Just Control T. Rotate your triangle by 90 degrees. Good. I have the triangle and it's facing right, but I want it to face left. So I just Control T again. Just click options, go to flip horizontal. So it just face left. So I just shift my triangle like this. See, you see what we just have? Reorder your life. Now this is text-based design. We have not imported any image. We have not done any magic. I've just made this text. You can still do more. I'm still like inspiration is just coming. I'm still thinking we can add this same thing. We can put it in the front here. So it's as there's a there's a reorder, there's a forward movement in your life. So let's try that. Let's take the rectangle and the triangle. Let's convert it to smart object. Okay, and then let's duplicate it, and then let me drag it to the top of the design so that it stands alone. Let me move it here. You see it's here. I've dragged one of it here. Just Control T again, flip horizontal again, um then move it. Make sure it's in your E. Make sure it's close to your E, and then change the color to the color of the E. Option, blend option, color overlay. You want to drag it away so that you can select the color of the E. Okay, cool. So now you want to Control T, you want to reduce it a little bit. Just zoom in a bit. That's Control plus, and then you want to reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so that it's kind of like aligned. Can reduce it more. Good. So that it kind of aligns. Then Control minus. So here's what we have. We have reorder your life. Kind of create a both a backward and forward motion. So can get creative. So see you in the next tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you how to do a single image design. Now we do a no image design I'm going to teach you how to do all you just need is one image to represent the theme. And these are professional way of doing design. Some people will carry so much images and then their design will be busy. One person I like his design is Caesar Graphics. If you check out Caesar Graphics design, there's a guy, go to Instagram, just type Caesar Graphics. The guy is good and he just does a simplistic design. So we are going to be doing single image design, a professional design done with just a single image. Stay tuned.